Hey, what's up everyone? You can see this is Xiaomi device, and in this video I'm going to show you how to completely change your Xiaomi device look like One UI 7. So let's begin. First guys, you have to download these all apps. These all apps download link available on description. Okay, first open launcher. After open, first set this launcher as default launcher. And guys, after set this launcher, you can see all One UI 7 icons also on this launcher, and app drawer also One UI 7. Now guys, set any Galaxy wallpaper on your Xiaomi device. After set, now guys, set all main icons on front of home screen. Now guys, simply remove this widget, and first now you apply control center. You can see this is now Xiaomi control center. Then I will apply One UI 7 control center. So simply open this app. After open, simply set permissions. After set the all permissions, simply tap on next, and guys, you can see all the settings. Simply enable notifications, and guys, simply set any wallpaper. Now you can see One UI 7 control center on my Xiaomi device. Now guys, apply volume style. Then simply open volume style and set permissions. After set permissions, tap on next, and you can see many skins on this app. Simply set style number 9 and simply save, and simply tap on start. And guys, you can see One UI 7 volume style on your Xiaomi device. Now guys, set One UI 7 status bar. Simply tap on start setup, set permission, and simply set permission. After set permission, guys, you can see One UI 7 status bar on your Xiaomi device, but still guys, this is not transparent. Then simply go to setting and tap on custom status bar, allow, and simply scroll and click on transparent status bar and select same wallpaper which wallpaper you set on desktop. Then simply go to gallery, select wallpaper. Now you can see I select wallpaper, simply tap done and apply. Now guys, you can see our status bar now transparent. Now guys, you can see our Xiaomi device completely look like One UI 7. Status bar and control center completely look like One UI 7. And guys, if you want to set lock screen also like One UI 7, then simply go to themes and guys, download One UX theme and simply download and apply only lock screen. But guys, in this lock screen do not show status bar transparent. But lock screen is completely look like Samsung. And guys, in last go to launcher setting and go to layout setting. Simply hide navigation button and increase icon size. Now done, apply and scroll, turn on notification badges. Simply OK. And guys, you can see in this launcher many themes. You set also dark One UI 7 theme on this launcher. Now simply go back and you can see our device completely look like One UI 7. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.